What if I told you there's a single position that helps nearly 89% of women finish? One small adjustment that can completely change her experience. Most men unknowingly use positions that actually reduce a woman's chance of finishing, even when everything else feels right. Research shows that one small adjustment can be the difference between frustration and completion for nearly 9 out of 10 women. And here's what almost no one tells you. If you don't understand why this works, you'll keep repeating the same mistake, no matter how much effort you put in. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact position, the biological reason it works, and the one common mistake that silently cancels its effect. Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, a urologist and intimacy coach with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their vitality, performance, and connection, both in health and in relationships. And here's something that's going to shift how you see this completely. Before we get started, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Share your age and location in the comments so we can see just how many men around the world are in this together. And if men's health and confidence matter to you, hit that like button and subscribe, because here we talk about the real issues no one else is willing to bring up. Most men spend their entire lives relying on the same few approaches. They stick with what feels familiar, what seems to work well enough. But here's what the research clearly shows. There is one specific technique first identified by a psychotherapist in the 1980s that, in studies, increased satisfaction rates by over 50%, more than half from one simple adjustment. Now, before you think you already know what I'm about to explain, let me pause you right here, because this isn't what you think. This isn't about pushing harder, or lasting longer, or doing more. This is about understanding how her body responds and positioning yourself to work with that biology instead of against it. Stay with me, because what I'm about to explain is backed by decades of research, and it works. Here's what most men don't understand. And honestly, this isn't your fault. Everything you learned about intimacy probably came from movies, friends, or trial and error. No one ever explained the actual science behind why certain approaches work better than others. So let me give you that science right now. According to research, only about 20% of women can reach full completion from traditional movement alone. That means roughly 80% need something additional. And here's the key insight. Most standard approaches completely miss what that 80% actually needs. They focus on depth and speed when research shows that isn't what matters most. What matters is consistent contact with the external pleasure center, an area containing over 8,000 nerve endings. Most common positions create little to no contact with that area at all. That's the real problem. And that's exactly what this one technique corrects. But before I show you what it is, let's talk about why this matters, especially for men over 50. If you're over 50, you've likely noticed that intimacy changes. Maybe things don't happen as quickly. Maybe there's more pressure to perform. Maybe you're wondering if you still have what it takes. Here's the truth. You now have something younger men never will: experience, patience, and the willingness to actually learn what works. Younger men rush. They focus on performance. They assume speed and intensity are what matter most. But research shows that's exactly backwards. What most women value, especially mature women, is someone who understands rhythm, who slows down, who prioritizes connection instead of completion. And that's where this technique becomes so powerful, because it's designed to maximize her satisfaction, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Now let's talk about what this technique is and why it works so effectively. It's known as the coital alignment technique, or CAT for short. At first glance, it looks similar to a standard face-to-face position, but there's one critical difference that changes everything. Here's how it works. The male partner shifts slightly upward along her body until alignment is created with her most sensitive outer area. Instead of a traditional in and out motion, CAT emphasizes a vertical rhythm and steady contact, moving attention away from internal thrusting and toward external alignment. Here's why this matters so much. Studies show that only about 20% of women can reliably finish from penetration alone. The remaining majority require some form of external activation to reach completion. The problem with most positions is that they create distance between bodies, which eliminates consistent contact with the area most women need stimulated. CAT removes that distance. By positioning slightly higher and using a gentle rocking motion instead of thrusting, You maintain continuous contact with her most responsive zone. In one study published in a leading sexual health journal, women who practiced CAT reported a satisfaction increase of more than 50%, over half from one small adjustment. And here's what makes it even more effective. Both partners remain connected by coordinating their movement. The male partner guides the downward motion, while the female partner naturally leads the upward one. This coordination builds a gradual rhythm, allowing intensity to increase slowly rather than abruptly. That slow buildup is what leads to deeper and more fulfilling experiences. Now let me show you exactly how to apply this. Here's your complete guide to the CAT technique. Step 1. The starting position. Begin in a standard face-to-face setup. She's on her back and you're above her, facing her. So far, everything is familiar. Step 2. The critical adjustment. This is where things change. Shift your body slightly higher than usual. Your chest should roughly align with her shoulders. This changes the angle so the base now rests against her external sensitivity zone. Step 3. The motion. Begin gently, using just enough guidance to maintain alignment. Then transition into a slow, steady rocking motion, up and down, not in and out. This isn't about thrusting. It's about rhythm. Your entire body moves together as one unit in a controlled, consistent flow. Step 4. Coordination. The male partner leads the downward motion while the female partner naturally follows upward, maintaining gentle but steady counter pressure. This creates a smooth push-pull rhythm. When you rock down, she rocks up. When you rock up, she rocks down. You're moving together, maintaining continuous contact along her most responsive area. Step 5. Let her guide. Start slowly so she can signal what feels right. Pay attention to her breathing and how her body responds. If she draws you closer, you're doing it correctly. If she tenses, ease the pressure slightly. The essence of CAT isn't precision. It's patience and coordination. You're not performing, you're connecting. And before we move on to the next part, I want to quickly mention something special I've created that ties perfectly into what we're talking about here. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a complete guide designed for men over 50 who want to rebuild their energy, confidence, testosterone, and intimacy naturally. Inside, I share the same methods I use in my own practice, including 7 proven bedroom techniques that reignite passion, build sensitivity, and help you last longer naturally. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. It's the perfect next step if you're ready to go beyond quick fixes and truly master your vitality and connection. Now, let's continue. Now, while CAT works exceptionally well for many women, research highlights another position that some prefer even more: the face-to-face woman on top variation. This approach is frequently cited as one of the most enjoyable because it gives her full control over rhythm, angle, and pace while naturally stimulating the external sensitivity zone. Why does this work so well? When she's on top, she controls everything: depth, speed, and pressure. And because the vast majority of women require external stimulation, either alone or alongside internal movement, this setup allows for constant, natural contact. She can rock forward and back, creating friction exactly where and how she needs it. Research supports this. Higher levels of female satisfaction are strongly associated with face-to-face positions where the woman is above. To make it work for her, the focus is on rocking, not bouncing. She leans slightly forward so her external area maintains contact with your pelvic bone, then moves in a smooth, controlled rhythm. For you, your role is simple. Stay relaxed at first and let her find her pace. Place your hands on her hips for support or explore gently, but allow her to lead until she settles into what feels right. Once she does, you can add subtle upward movement, matching her rhythm rather than directing it. She leads, you follow. Now here's the element that amplifies both of these approaches. Whether you're using CAT or woman on top, one addition can dramatically improve result: manual activation. Research consistently shows that the vast majority of women benefit from or require external stimulation, either on its own or alongside internal movement. So when you combine positioning adjustments with gentle, intentional touch, the results become far more reliable. During CAT, your hands are free. Use them intentionally. Light stimulation to her external area while maintaining the rocking rhythm can be extremely extremely effective. During the woman on top position, she may naturally provide this stimulation herself through body contact, her hands, or an external aid. If she hesitates, reassure her. Let her know that seeing her fully enjoy herself is deeply attractive to you. Research shows that around 7 out of 10 women require some form of external attention to reach completion. This isn't optional. It's a core part of satisfying intimacy. So make it part of your shared routine. Whether it's your hand, her hand, or both, focused attention combined with coordinated movement creates the most consistent outcomes. Now let's talk about what not to do, because these mistakes undermine the effectiveness of both positions. Mistake 1, moving too fast. These techniques rely on patience. Rushing breaks the rhythm, and without rhythm, the stimulation that leads to completion disappears. Start slowly. Let intensity build naturally. Mistake 2, not communicating. Every woman is different. What works perfectly for one may not work for another. Ask simple questions like, does this pressure feel good? Or should I adjust the angle? Communication isn't awkward, it's essential. Mistake 3, focusing on your own finish. The moment your attention shifts inward, you stop responding to her signals, and her response is what guides everything. Stay present. Pay attention to her breathing, her sounds, and how her body moves. Mistake 4, giving up too early. These positions require practice. The first attempt may feel unfamiliar or awkward. That's normal. Coordination improves with repetition, and coordination is what makes these approaches effective. Here's what I want you to remember. These positions work because they align with how the body actually responds, not because of luck or guesswork. Only a small fraction of women reliably finish from penetration alone. The rest need intentional external stimulation. Cat and woman on top both provide that by design. But the position itself isn't the most important part. Your mindset is. If you approach intimacy as something you need to prove, pressure builds, and pressure kills satisfaction. But when you approach intimacy as shared connection, where you're paying attention, responding, and learning together, everything changes. The goal isn't performance, it's presence. It's creating an experience where she feels seen, understood, and fully satisfied. So here's your plan for this week. First, try CAT. Don't announce it. Don't make it a big moment. During your next intimate experience, simply make the upward adjustment and begin the rocking motion. Pay attention to her response. Is she pulling you closer? Is her breathing changing? Those are clear signs it's working. Next time, try the woman on top position. Encourage her to take control and find the rhythm and angle that work best for her body. In both cases, include manual stimulation, either from you or from her, and let it flow naturally as part of the moment. Most importantly, communicate. Afterward, ask her what felt good, what she liked most, and what she'd want more of. That feedback is how you improve, not by guessing, but by listening. Great lovers aren't born knowing this. They learn, they pay attention, and they care enough to keep improving. Before we wrap up, I want to share something a lot of my viewers ask me: what natural supplements actually deliver results for men's health? After looking at the research and testing what really works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural formulas backed by science, carefully selected to work together for maximum result. I've linked them below in the description and pinned comment. Check them out and see how they can help you feel your absolute best. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Share your thoughts below. Let us know your age and where you're from. As men age, this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.